Hello and welcome to BELROY'S Learning Time. Today we're going to introduce you to some amazing sea animals. Are you ready to meet them? Great! Let's start with the dolphin. Dolphins are known for their playful nature and are often seen jumping out of the water. They are also very intelligent and can communicate with each other using clicks and whistles. Next up is the needlefish. These long, slender fish are also known as garfish and are found in shallow waters. They have a sharp, pointed snout which they use to catch small fish and other prey. Look! There's a crab. Crabs have hard shells which protect them from predators. They use their claws to catch food and to defend themselves. Oh! Here comes a shark. Sharks are one of the most feared sea creatures, but they are also incredibly important to the ocean ecosystem. They help to maintain the balance of the food chain and keep other populations in check.
This is a flounder. Flounders are flat fish that live on the bottom of the ocean. They have two eyes on one side of their body, which allows them to see what's going on above them.
Look at that sea snail. Sea snails move slowly, but they are important members of the ocean community. They help to clean up dead plant and animal matter on the ocean floor. Here's a ratfish. Ratfish are also known as chimeras, and they have a distinctive appearance with a long, pointed snout and large eyes. They are found in deep waters and are rarely seen by humans. Oh, how cute! That's a seal. Seals are mammals and spend most of their time in the water, but they also come ashore to rest and raise their young. Here comes a barracuda. Barracudas are fierce predators with razor-sharp teeth. They are found in warm, tropical waters and are known for their speed and agility.
Look, a jellyfish. Jellyfish are often called the jellies, and they are found in oceans all around the world. They are made up of 95% water and don't have a brain or central nervous system.
This is a lionfish. Lionfish are known for their beautiful, colorful appearance, but they are also venomous and can be dangerous to humans. They are native to the Indo-Pacific region but have been introduced to other parts of the world.
And finally, we have the octopus. Octopuses are intelligent and curious creatures with 8 arms and a large head. They can change color and texture to blend in with their surroundings and to communicate with each other.
And that's all for today. We hope you enjoyed meeting these amazing sea animals. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this. Thanks for watching.